Hello, Mr. Zaid. What are you doing, Mr. Zaid? Mr. Mother, what are you cooking?
I am egg and potato.
Egg potato curry.
Yeah.
Okay. Zaid, what is this? You have burned the omelette, guys.
No,
Zaid. Now you are crumbling.
before
This is called crumble, Zaid. Crumbling egg. Zaid is making the crumble egg. Okay. Zaid is cooking. He was planning to make an omelette, but I think he failed to make an omelette, guys. He added the less oil just because of that. Omelette stick with the pan bottom. Now here Mr. Ranjit, he has cut everything. He chopped all the ingredients. See guys, onion, and he also chopped the green chili, and he minced the garlic. Tomatoes are yet to be ready. I think he will make it ready. Mr. Ranjit, good. Okay, here we have guys tray of eggs. They are copying me. Yesterday I prepared the egg curry. Now today they are planning to cook the egg curry. Mr. Ranjit and Buganda, they are eating together. That's what they are cooking together. Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good. I am also good by the grace of God. So guys, I have already started the video. Here everyone is doing the work after the duty. They are preparing something. I have my curry, so that's what I'm not going to do anything, guys. I will eat my curry later on. So far I am not eating because I have to I have to do a lot of things before eating the dinner. No problem, Mr. Zaid, he prepared something for me. He will also offer me. He is not that stingy. He is not a stingy person. Definitely he will offer me, no problem guys. But before that I have to do the exercise. It's been a long time I did not do the exercise. I am planning to do exercise because exercise helped me a lot to reduce the extra stress. Before I was doing on continuous basis, but in between I stopped doing exercise. Today again I am planning to start the exercise, so let me go for the exercise. After that I will come and have the lunch. Here Mr. Shaiju, he is boiling the, which rice is this? Brown rice. So it takes a lot of time, almost 1.5 hours to boil these rice. Here guys, this is the scene of outside. This is the sight of outside, guys. Time is almost 7:30 in the evening. So guys, when I record the video during the night time, this thing happens. Most of the time I feel difficult to record the video because during the night time I cannot get the proper light, appropriate light. But still, what to do guys, this is just for the learning purpose, so no problem whether my video quality is okay or not okay until or unless I am speaking. What are you cooking? What are you cooking, Boga sir? Egg potato. Egg potato. Speak out, Boga sir, no problem.
All person today cooking all person.
Mothers are eating. Everyone has cooked egg potato. Mother will cook egg potato. Boga cooked egg potato. Wasim cooked egg potato. Here Mr. Ranjit, he cooked egg potato. And I kept inside to reheat the curry, guys. It is almost done. Here is the curry. I think it is done. Now it is very hot. Plate is hot. My hand got burnt. Oh, no problem. I will have it. Thank you, Boga sir. Thank you, Boga sir. Thank you. So I have finished the exercise for today. Today was my first day. I did it only few minutes. I simply ran on the floor, then I did not do anything else. But tomorrow I will start it from the beginning, guys. No problem. Today just let me have the dinner. I'm having the dinner, guys. Yeah, I have cucumber. So this is the dinner for today. Mr. Zaid, he is our brother. He went to get roti. So guys, I have eaten the dinner. Just before I have finished it off, Mr. Zahid, he is going to apply glue on his shoes. This is our routine, guys. What to do? We are living in abroad, so we have to do each and everything our own. Mr. Zaid is doing improvisation with his only one shoes. See, guys, what we have to do? Oh, his finger is stick with glue, right? What did you do? Oh my God, it's hurting. Oof, thank God. Yes, it is already almost done. Here is Zahid. He's applying pressure on the shoes so that it can fix properly. So guys, I would say that today day was also productive for me. I have done something for myself. I have tried to learn something. For today I am going to end up this session here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.